Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Photoshop for free on all platforms. You can do this on PC, laptop, or Mac and it works perfectly. With this method you'll be able to get the full membership for free without doing anything shady or downloading any illegal torrents. The way it works is I'm going to show you a really easy way to make free money that everyone can do right now. And once you complete it, you'll be able to get $750 to $1,000 for free into your Cash App, PayPal, or even Amazon or Visa gift card. Also, the way I stumbled upon this was through Reddit. I saw someone post a thread asking others what's a really good online hustle to get free money, and people in the comments were talking about this site called easyrewardspot.com as one of the ways they earned tons of money, other rewards online that was also easy to do. And they said it's definitely one of the best ways to earn free money currently. So I will now show you guys how to claim your gems from easyrewardspot.com the easiest way possible. All you want to do is go to easyrewardspot.com on your phone or a mobile device. You can't claim the gems on a PC, so you must do it on your phone. And on the site, before we get started, you can see it is completely safe to use and you don't have to spend any money at all. They also have reviews you can read on the site from other members that used it. But anyways guys, to get started, we are just going to click the Get Started button. Now once we are here, it's going to take us to the beginning of the questionnaire. So it's first going to ask you to enter your email. Make sure you enter your real email, as this is where they will be sending you your reward and communicating with you. If you put in a fake email, you won't be able to get your gems reward. Anyways, just keep answering the questions they ask. Also, if your questionnaire doesn't look exactly like mine, that's completely fine as well. It might just mean you're from a different country than me, so it might look a bit different. Just fill it out. In the end, you will also get your money. But yeah, just keep filling out the questions. I know it might seem a bit boring, but in the end, it will be worth it because you actually get the gems. Anyways, once you get through all the questions, you will get to a part that takes you to a deals section. What you have to do is complete the deals that it shows here. Some of them are pretty easy and just want you to install a game or app on your phone and do a task on it, or sign up for a trial. Just go ahead and do them, and the more deals you do, the higher your reward will be. So that's why you should just do them. I'm seeing this Disney Plus one where it wants me to sign up for a trial, so I'm going to do it as it's pretty simple. But guys, even if it wants you to spend money on one of the deals, you will still wind up getting tons of money at the end, so you're not really spending any money at all. Anyways guys, after you do the deals, that's when you will claim your rewards. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all the deals now and show you guys what happens after and if I wind up getting paid and stuff. So let me do them now and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back and I've done the deals. Now it redirected me back to easyrewardspot.com and it's telling me congratulations and that I've done all the deals. So now it's asking for me to enter my PayPal Cash App, or if I want to claim it another way, I will enter my Cash App because I want it there. So after entering my Cash App, I'll go into my app and see if I received it. Yep, as you guys can see, it worked and we received the money. Now you can use this money to buy whatever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you have any questions, let me know down below.